Hey lovelies, so today I want to talk about how to make panels for your Twitch channel. So, this can also apply to Kick and other streaming platforms. So, first and foremost, you want to go and pick a size. So, you're going to be sharing these. And you want to make sure that you are always saving them in transparent mode. The size is 320 by 100. You can do 320 by 320 as a max, but these are the basic sizes that most people use. And you should pick PNG. So yeah, you basically pick a font, you pick a border, and then you can pick a gradient. I'll show you. See, these are the different things you should think about. Like setup, merge, shop, goals, donate, just different things here. Don't have to have all 30, but you shouldn't make an extra blank one just in case you miss something. See, there's a pink version I created, and then a purple version I created, and a yellow version I created. And you can pretty much make this all different ones. I also made these ones for a credo, so you can make the square version. You can change the aesthetic of the font, of course. You can also go here and type in Twitch panels, and it will give you ideas. There is ones with kitties, ones with frogs. Like, you can use these if you pay the pro version. So if you prefer them to be already made, these are a way for you to customize them and to get some pre-made. You can also take these designs and run with them. Like, you could add things to it if you want to. So I will show you how to do that. So like I said, but make sure to save them. Make sure to save them with a transparent background. So, like I said, you can go 320 by 100. So you can even search Twitch panels. See? There we go. Perfect. And it'll give you this. And then you just create 30 pages. But like I was telling you, you could go here to Twitch panels, and I'll show you some ways you can customize even the ones that are pre-made, and I'll show you how I made my own. So, for instance, you could take this one here. Obviously you need the pro version if you want to remove the watermark. So you take this one, and then you would just copy it the 30 times, or however many you need. Then you go here and put about me, and then you can change it here, whoever you like, however big you want it. And remember, those watermarks, the black watermarks, will come off if you pay for the premium version. There's lots of cars that run by the house, so sorry if you heard that. So yeah, that's one way you can do that. You can also add elements to it, so if you want more hearts, just type in hearts, and you can just use basic shape, or you can add these, make them smaller, add them here, add them here, and you're good to go. Obviously that's a more girly one. Now I'm going to show you a more gender neutral one. So basically you just go to elements and you go to shapes, and you will see all the different shapes that you can choose, but mainly people stick to this one, or they stick to the square. You can also have them made customized for you. There's tons on Creative Market and Etsy and all those different places, but if you want to make your own for free, you just, like I said, just do About Me, and then you can customize that to the font that you would like. So I'll make one rounded and one like that. So like that. And then you can go to this right here, the lines, and type border and choose if you want a border or not, and if you want these different styles of borders. So I'm going to choose a different style for this one. There we go. So you see how it is. And then, like I said, easy to change colors. Easy to change colors there. Easy to change different thickness. If you've got a border, you can change the thickness of the border. And like I said, if you want to do a gradient, just come here, go to these, pick the color, pick another color, go here, and you can change the way the gradient looks. You can add another color if you want to. And you see how that looks. So you can change all those lovely things. And this one too. Just go here, pick a color, go to gradient, and then there we go. And that's how you would create a panel. But like I said, if you prefer the panels here that are already made, you just have to pay the pro or find ones that are free. Like for instance, this is a really nice one. Like I said, those Canva ones will be removed. That's a really nice one. There's so many different styles here. There's this cute one here. And with this one, especially, you could play around with some different elements, like stars. I don't know why I put stars, but play with different elements with stars. And you can hide those. Hide those yellow things there. Make it really cute. So yeah, that's how you make panels. If you guys want to see me make some more, please let me know. I'm definitely up for it. It's very easy to make. And very simple. So I hope you guys have a really good day, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.